Well, good afternoon, everybody. Firstly, I want to sincerely congratulate the next President of Ireland, the 10th Uachtaráin na hÉireann, Catherine Connolly, on her decisive election win. Today is her day, and she is now going to be all of our president. The election campaign is over. Catherine will be a president for those who voted for her. She'll be a president to those who didn't vote for her. And indeed, her success as president will be to the success of Ireland as well. So I wish her well, as I know people right across this country do, as she prepares to assume this office. I also want to thank Heather Humphreys today. I want to thank Heather for the campaign that she ran. I want to thank Heather for her warmth, her dignity, for her guts and courage in stepping up. You'll remember my party had selected Mairead McGuinness. I think of her today too. Mairead stepped out on health grounds, and Heather was willing to enter the arena, and I think carried herself with great dignity, with great energy, engaged with many of you robustly in other ways over the course of the last number of weeks, and I thank her. Hundreds of thousands of people went out and voted for her yesterday too. I thank those people who voted for her as well, and I wish her every good wish.